Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today, we'll be taking another look at how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb on a diatonic harmonica, except this time we'll be playing it in the top part of your harmonica. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Blow into 8, breathe in through 8, blow into 7, breathe in through 8, and blow into 8 3 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 8 3 times. Blow into 8. And blow into 9 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. So let's move on to phrase 4. Blow into 8. Breathe in through 8 twice. Blow into 8. Breathe in through 8. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the sort of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.